Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching the camera app and granting access. This unlocks hardware and mic. Once done, make sure camera has permission in Windows privacy settings so apps can use it. If prompted, confirm microphone access for video recordings. Next, select the front or rear camera icon to choose hardware. This switches the feed immediately. You'll see live preview. Adjust app permissions if the preview is black. Begin recording or snapping photos with the shutter button once live video appears. You now refine image quality and controls so results match your intent. Open the camera gear to change resolution and frame rate. Higher values increase file size, but improve detail. Once set, toggle grid lines and aspect ratio to compose shots. Use the timer for stable selfies or group photos. Switch between photo, video, and pro modes. Pro gives manual ISO and exposure control when you need it. Make sure HDR or night modes are enabled for tricky lighting to capture clearer images. You finish by capturing and managing files efficiently. Press the shutter or record. You can also use the spacebar shortcut. Once recorded, open photos to review, trim, and export. This organizes media into camera roll so sharing is quick. If the camera doesn't work, check Device Manager for an updated driver and reboot immediately. Make sure antivirus or privacy settings aren't blocking access. If problems persist, run the Windows Camera Troubleshooter and reconnect any external webcams before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.